In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log in to Netschool and navigate to the courses. The easiest way to get to Netschool is to go up to your browser, the address bar, and type in moodle.nisttx.org. In Northwest, we call it Netschool, but the actual name is Moodle, and this is an online learning management system that allows educators to create their own private websites to house online courses. So you can see that the courses are broken up by elementary school, middle school, high school, and then some other options there. Right now, I am logged in as a guest. I have guest access. All of the teachers' courses should allow guests to enter so that they can see their course, but as a guest you will not have access to forums and assignments and that kind of thing. So let me show you first of all how to log in. Right here on the right hand side is your login, and you will simply put in your username and your password, and for students that is going to be your first name dot last name, and then your password is your ID number. So let me get logged in. Okay, now that I have logged in, I've logged in as my son, so you can see that that changed. I'm no longer a guest. So I can go in and I can search for courses. Now there's a navigation pane right here. If you are already enrolled in courses, you can click on My Courses and those courses will show up. He is currently enrolled in the Summer Reading Challenge, and that's it for this summer. So one way to find a course is you can use these tabs here and go to middle school and search out the categories that way, or you can simply search courses here. If you know the teacher's last name, you could type in last name and click go, and this is going to bring up all of the courses with this teacher's last name. I'm going to take a look at the Wilson Library course, and I'm going to click on the course name, not the teacher's name, and that will take me to the actual course. So you can see here that I have logged in and I've navigated to this course. On the right hand side, I have a search feature, I have a calendar, and this is very handy. When things are due, you will see the dates are colored differently when things are due and events, so that's pretty handy. And then you can see upcoming events. There are quick links, and every teacher should have a quick link to the NISD website, online grades, their own website, things like that. Okay. So this is an example of a Netschool course. Welcome back to the Netschool tutorial. In this course, I'm going to take you through a Netschool page, and we're going to look at all the different components. We're also going to look at how to enroll in a course. Now, I've already logged in as a student, and I've searched my page, so I'm at the Wilson Advisory Activities page. What I want you to notice is here on the right side, you have the calendar. And notice this little peach highlighted day. If I hover over that, it tells me that there is an event or something due on that day. I can scroll down and I can see there are some activities, there are some different assignments and some quizzes and resources. And then under the navigation pane, you can see here my home and all of the courses that I'm enrolled in under my courses. Under the administration tab, that's where you would enroll yourself in the course. Now, if you're having trouble and you don't see any of these boxes on the right side, they may be docked. Let me show you what I mean. These little arrows right here, if I click on this, it's going to take that and dock it over here so that it's out of the way. And so it depends on how you like to see your page. I typically like to have everything docked so it's out of the way, but if you like to see everything there, then you can simply click the arrow and it brings it right back. So if you're not seeing what you need on the right-hand side, then check on the left-hand side. I'm going to go ahead and enroll in the course. So I'm going to enroll. Now I'm enrolling as a student, as my son. So I'm going to click the enrollment key. And your teacher will have your enrollment key for the courses that you will enroll in. And so now I am enrolled in the course. Now, if you are once you're enrolled in the course, you can then go and view the assignments and take quizzes and things like that. If you're just signed in as a guest, you have very limited access to what you can do in the course. So we talked about some of the things on the right-hand side of the page, and some of them might be on the left-hand side of the page if you choose to dock those blocks. Right up here, I want to show you, these are the breadcrumbs. So right now we are at Wilson Advisory Activities. That's under the administration pages, under the Wilson Middle School, under Middle School, and My Courses, and of course Home. So if you need to navigate to another page, you can use the breadcrumbs and go back. In the center of the Netschool page, you'll see this is where the content is going to be. So all of the content that your instructor or teacher puts on the Netschool page will be found right here in the center, and you can go through and find the items that you need. You can see that you can add video, so there may be videos for you to watch. Here's an example of a quiz. It has a paper with a check mark on it, so that tells me it's a quiz that needs to be taken. And there are different little icons that will show you what you need to do. This is the icon for assignments, and that is where you hand in or turn in your work. So if you were assigned a task, you would look for this icon and you could turn in your work there. Some teachers will have a box of icons right up here at the top, and it may have a turn-in box or assignment box, and you can turn in work there. Okay, I have navigated to another page, and this is Coach Glenn's wheel class, and he's got a neat little graphic at the top, and then he has a little bit about what wheel is, and then you can see some of the icons that he has placed here. This is for tests and contact information, so these links will help you get to where you need. If we click on learning links, you can see that he's got some great links in here for you, so that could be very helpful. And then of course we can use the breadcrumbs to go back to his course, and you can see underneath that he has each topic for each 6 weeks spelled out, and he's got websites here, and then all of these are drop boxes for you to turn in your work. This, of course, is a Word document, so I guess it has some college and career links on it. Here's an Excel document, a PowerPoint. So you can view, as a student, you can view all of these documents and turn in your work right here on Netschool. If you have any questions about using Netschool, be sure to check with your teacher, or you can come see me in the library and I'll be happy to help you.